on the Bethlehem mountain.
As we mark Social Development Month in October, we urge all men to play their role in households through loving and caring for their children and to protect their family. Families are affected negatively by domestic violence and high numbers of orphaned and vulnerable children. The South African Institute of Race Relations undertook research in 2009 which observed that the family was facing serious challenges which were undermining its stability and function optimally. The research findings note that family life in the conventional sense did not exist for many South African children. For an example, about 25% of the countries under the age of 18 were growing up without their biological parents. We therefore urge men to take seriously their responsibilities in households, to assist women in raising children. In that way, we will lay a good foundation for our children and curb degeneration of values in society before it spirals out of control.